Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your Switch and Minecraft are updated. This avoids protocol mismatches. Sign into your Microsoft account inside Minecraft so your Xbox Live identity is available. Once done, verify your Switch online, run a network test, and note the IP address and NAT type because Bedrock Connect needs stable connectivity. Make sure the console stays on the same network during setup. These first actions reduce errors later and put you in position. You now configure the Bedrock Connect client that will proxy traffic from the Switch to your target server. On a PC or Pi, edit the config file, enter the target server IP, port, and adjust proxy options to match the server's requirements. Start the client and watch the logs. You want to see a clear listening message and no TLS or handshake failures. If you see errors, recheck port, IP, and any required SNI settings. This middle phase makes the connection possible. You finish by adding the proxy as an external server on the Switch using the Bedrock Connect IP and port you set. Hit join and monitor the client logs as you connect. They show the handshake and any rejection reasons. If it fails, restart the client and the Switch, confirm NAT type, and check port forwarding or firewall rules on your router. One key troubleshooting tip: if TLS or address errors persist, temporarily disable IP6 and force IP4 on the client to eliminate name resolution issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.